What's up, Sassperallas? It's your girl Sassy J, and I'm back with another video. Yes, guys, I am so excited because today I'll be unboxing some goodies from Cherryz.com. Yes, guys, Cherryz.com. I am so excited about this. Let me show you. Let me cover my address. I don't just see my address, but yes, guys. Oh my gosh, I have so many things in this, and I'm so excited. Okay, so let me tell you what Cherryz is all about, guys. So Cherryz is a shopping app, and they're all about savings on essential daily items like groceries, personal items, household items. They even have like loads of new stuff. You can discover new items as well weekly, guys. I kid you not. I went on there to spend my £30, and I tell you guys, your girl got too carried away. At one point, my basket was just packed with stuff because I'm seeing these things that I really like, and I see them like out and about when I go shopping usually. And sometimes the prices that I see them for, like in the shops, I'm like, wow. Do you know what I mean? But when I went on to Cherryz and I saw them, I got super excited. So I got me some bits, guys. I got me some bits, and I'm about to, you know, unbox these. But before I go any further, guys, you know what to do. Just like, comment, and share, and hit that subscription button if you're new to my channel, okay? Welcome, guys. But please make sure you hit that notification bell as well, so you get an update every single time I post a new video. And guys, I kid you not, you're gonna be so excited, like so excited by the end of this video, because I tell you, once I finish with unboxing all of these, I have a little surprise for you as well. I kid you not, I have a little surprise for you. Just wait for it. Just wait for it, guys. Just wait for it. Okay, so let me just open this. Where's my scissors? Guys, I put the scissors down, and I swear I do not know where I put the scissors, but I've got a pin, okay? It's a hair pin, like a bobby pin, and I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Okay, guys. So let me. Oh, I kid you not, guys. I am so excited about this. And when I say I could not believe the amount of stuff that I got for the £30, and to be honest, this is not even fully £30 because I still have £10 to spend on my voucher, guys. Yes. So this is not the full £30. But let's see. And I must warn you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I did get a bit carried away because I got a lot of snacks. Okay, because I wanted to like get different bits. So there's different things that they did, okay? But I'm such a snack person. I ate a lot of the snacks, but but you know what it is. Don't be judging me. Okay, let me get my box out here. Let me get my box. Okay, guys, so I kid you not, I've opened this, and like I said, you will see where I open a lot of snacks, okay? So guys, I got the Doritos, right? A 5-pack Doritos, and I kid you not, I don't remember what I paid for this. I do not remember what I paid for this, but I swear to you, I'm gonna put the link to this website, because you can shop on, they've got an app and they've got a website. So I'm gonna put the link for the website down below in the description. So make sure you guys click on it, pay attention. I got this, I really love it. Like, this is, like I said, for £20 in total, not 30 because I haven't spent all my £30. So I got a 5-pack Doritos. I got a baking tray because I wanted a little baking tray for my breakfast stuff. Like, you know, when you do your hash browns and stuff like that, your waffles and stuff like that. So I wanted that as well. Guys, I'm literally addicted to Reese. And when I saw this, I had to get it. So this one comes, I think, 8 little Reese biscuits and stuff. I fell in love with Reese biscuits like a few years ago. I think it's in a chocolate bar thing. But when I saw this, it's my first time actually seeing this, believe it or not. So I had to get it, and I actually love it. Guys, when I say I got a lot of snacks, I kid you not, I got a lot of snacks. So I got Snickers as well, and this is the 3-pack Snickers. I think it's one of my favorite chocolates, apart from Bueno, but you know, girl love her Snickers. And this is the pack of 3, guys, I kid you not. This, well, I tell you, I went snacky. This I'm really excited to try, and this one is a skin reusable makeup removing cloth, and I wanted to get this because I've seen this in like the drugstore, like Superdrug's Boost, something similar to this, not exactly this, and they're quite pricey. And I remember saying to myself, I'm not getting those, that is too pricey. I can't remember what I paid for this. I will double check and put the price up because it's one of my favorite things I've been looking forward to use. And yeah, because I spend so much on my my cleansing routine. Like, I use my cotton wool pads and stuff, but if it's reusable, like, and it's 3 of them, guys, it's a pack of 3, I kid you not. So I'm very excited about this, and when I do a skincare routine, I'm gonna use this, and yeah, and we're gonna see how we like it. I'll let you guys know. Something that I opened, and I ate probably about 2 of this, a Mr. Tom. Oh my God, guys. Love a Mr. Tom. And this is a pack of 4 that came into this. Pack of 4, guys. Love, absolutely love it. I got some toilet blocks as well. Pack of 6 in there, and that's for me. Obviously, I love when the toilet's nice and fresh, and I feel like these just do wonders to the toilets. I don't know, guys. So when I saw that, and I was like, wow, they do these too. But household, guys, household product items, I kid you not. I'm loving Cherryz right now. Batteries, guys, and I got 2 sets of batteries, I think. So I got this one, which is the AA battery, and then I got the AAA batteries because I think I use this one for my remote. And it's always good to have something extra. You never know when you're going to need an AA battery, right? That's what I said. That's what I said. I got me some Listerine. Obviously, you know, household, you need these. Nice and fresh breath. Guys, I kid you not, this is £20. I'm not even joking. All I'm showing you right now, it's literally £20. I got me some air freshener, and I got the refills because I already got the actual main plug for this. So I just got me the refills for those. I got me some extra spearmint, and there's a pack of 3 in there as well. You got to keep that breath, you know, maintaining that fresh breath, okay? That kissable fresh breath, okay? That kissable. And guys, don't mind me, I literally have a chest infection right now. I've had the worst week. I went from having shingles and a skin infection, then high temperatures and chest infection. I even had to do a COVID testing, okay? So bear with me, guys. So all the snacks, I'm telling you, that I got from Cherryz, it cheered me up. Like, it cheered me up, guys. So I'm sorry, I'm like really excited. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry, okay? Because I'm excited. And I've got a good reason to be excited. Anyways, let me carry on. Okay, guys, so this one, I'm not gonna lie, I kid you not. This thing, guys, oh, pink wavers. I actually ate this all off. This is literally the empty packet. Yes, I kid you not. I kid you not, guys. It was so good. I'm sorry. Do you know what? When I looked at the site, it looked like it was small. And I thought, okay, 60p. Guys, look at the size of this. For 60p. And guys, like, it was so good. It was so good. I couldn't stop eating. I opened it and said, oh, let me just taste it. And I kept eating and eating and eating, and I just finished it. But anyways, let me carry on. Guys, so I got me this, you know, scrub the old back of mine. Do you know what I mean? Like, get a nice little rub, a back rub. I actually really do like this. I've always wanted, and I love the color of it. See? Like, and guys, you know these ones are like, I don't remember how much they are in the actual shop. But it's so worth it on the Cherryz app. Really, really worth it. Okay, so that. And I got me, guys. Oh, I love my J2O. Yes, guys. So I got me some J2O. And this is a pack of 4 J2O in a can. And I'm about to put it right now, guys, in the fridge. I kid you not. I'm about to put it in the fridge, let it get cold, and drink it. And then I have the shower kind of caddy. And this one, I really wanted something like this because how my shower is, I have like nothing to put my toiletry stuff in at the moment. So I saw this basket and I thought, you know what? Let me get the shower basket. And yeah, I'm gonna set it up in my shower in a minute, but I thought that would be really good for like my toothpaste, my toothpaste, my shower gel, and stuff like that. Like that comes in handy. And I think that is all part of it. That's the hook. This is the hook. So that goes in like that, I'm guessing. Yes. So it goes like that and you hook it. See, that's quite good. So you don't even have to worry about getting anyone to fit anything for you. You just kind of put that in and you just hook it on there. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that as soon as I finish with this video because I get too excited with these things. And I think the last item was my bleach, guys. Domestos. So I got this pack of bleach as well. I think that's all I got. But I kid you not, guys. All these things that you saw me that I've just shown you, all these things, they're £20. £20. I was given a £30 voucher and these things are £20. Tell me, where can you go and find all this for £30, please? Tell me. But anyways, guys, the exciting bit. You know when I said at the beginning that I had something like a little surprise for y'all? Okay, guys, so you see how I got like that £30 voucher, right? Now you can get 20% discount. Yes, you heard me. 20% discount on your very first shop, guys. This is only on your first shop. And you can use this discount code, guys, whether you use the app or you use the link below that's going to be in my description box, okay? So you get 20% discount when you use SassyJ20, which you will find in my description. Yes, guys, don't forget the description, okay? Because you'll have the link to Cherryz in the description to all the goodies. And remember, I tell you, they're all about savings. It's all about savings, guys. The items there, I'm telling you, the prices, ridiculously good. Ridiculously good. And I went on there and they had little bits for Halloween as well, guys. And they had some little Christmas, even gift cards and all these kind of things. Like, you need to go check them out. I kid you not. Go and check them out. In my description right now, guys. In my description, click on it and get that 20% off, okay? I think it's SassyJoe20. Honey, do it. Do it. Do it. Guys, I kid you not. Now I'm so excited because I can go and finish eating my snacks. I can go eat my snacks. I can go eat my snacks. So thank you so much, Cherryz. I really appreciate you guys for reaching out to me, because honestly, I would have not known about all of this. And I cannot wait to go back onto the app like ASAP and get me some more goodies. Like, I tell you, I'll be saving, guys. I kid you not. I kid you not. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing of Cherryz. Yes, guys. Yes. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, like I said, don't forget to check out the description for that discount code. Yes. And if you're new to my channel, guys, big up yourself. Welcome. Please remember to like, comment, and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get an update every single time I upload a new video. I also want to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers, to all the old ones and all the new ones. Guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for all the love and the support that you've shown to me over the last few months. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for all the well wishes as well. I see them and I appreciate them. Guys, I will see you soon in my new video. But for now, just keep it sassy-licious.